Hi, and welcome to my cleaning app for Airbnbs. I created this because I see a need for it in my organization where we have Airbnbs. Some of the goals I had were to be able to contact our cleaners and ask them if they would like to work for us, to sign up for that day, that we could pay them immediately upon being done, that we could let them know exactly what parameters needed to happen when they did the job, and that they would have a checklist and know exactly what needed to be done by pictures and by a checklist. So let's start out at properties. The properties give us a list of everything that I own that needs to be cleaned. And we'll go to Master Suite. The start to finish gives us the time that the cleaner got there and what time she left. And then we'll go to Photos, and the Photos gives us her final pictures that we can scroll through. And if we approve them, then we'll go here, and then we can rate her, review her, and pay her, which would be add to the cart. We can make an adjustment here if we want to give her a bonus, or if there's some other problems, we can do a deduction, and then we would pay her now. And the paying would be already in the system, so we just say pay, and it would automatically hook up and do that. And then, let's see. And then we can go, let's go back, let's go to schedule. And that would be, we have a list of everything that needs to be scheduled, and we click on Master Suite again. And that shows us the checklists that need to be, that are with this property, and the submitted photos that have already happened. And we can also, our cleaners can have a place where they can make a list and of things that need to be repaired, and that would be here. And we also have a link called Contacts, and that will give us the different cleaners that are available. And see, here's all my cleaners. And if I choose Sarah, it will highlight her, and then I will send her a message right there, so that that she's aware that we have a place available for her. Now we also have payment, and that will take us again to Sarah and highlight her, and then it will take us next, and we'll see the jobs that she has done, and then then it will click through to the jobs that she has done. We'll approve those jobs, and once again add it to the cart. I learned a lot during doing user testing that I hadn't quite got enough information, and so I had to go back and add some more screens and some more highlighting. I think it worked out pretty well. I think that we've got something that really is useful. Here's our checklist, and so once everything is checked off, and then we can move on to the submitted photos. This has been really an enlightening and great fun for me, and thank you for being part of this.